Hey there. Today, we've got something truly electrifying for all you Dodge Charger enthusiasts out there. If you're looking to take your Charger's style to a whole new level, you've come to the right place. Now, check this out, the 2015 to 2023 Dodge Charger Multicolor Built Headlights. Brace yourselves because these bad boys are about to become the #1 head-turning mod on the block. I mean, just look at these lights, they're an absolute showstopper. You're not just getting a set of headlights, you're getting an experience. Let me break down the top features that make these a game changer. First up, the #1 most head-turning mod. Get ready to bask in the glory of compliments and looks. These headlights don't just illuminate the road, they make a statement. Your Charger will be the talk of the town. Now, let's talk tech. The multicolor built headlights feature the newest LED technology with flow color chasing LEDs. With 120 effects and features, your Charger will be dancing with light. It's like having a personal light show on your front end. But wait, there's more. Control these LEDs with your phone or the wireless handheld remote. It's a 2-in-1 hybrid LED control system. Your fingertips become the maestro, orchestrating the light display with ease. And lastly, the enhanced look. These headlights aren't just about function, they're about making your Charger stand out, adding an attractive, unique, and modern touch. Elevate your car's style game to a whole new level. So there you have it folks, the 2015 to 2023 Dodge Charger Multicolor Built Headlights. The #1 head-turning mod, easy to install, with flow color chasing LEDs, and 2-in-1 hybrid LED control. Make your Charger a beacon of style on the streets. If you're ready to turn heads and leave a lasting impression, check the link in the description to grab your set now. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay lit, my friends.